Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 test of oral English past question. Question number 48. So we are still looking for the option that is in construct with the word in capital letters, which is also a topic under emphatic stress. So, and the sentence here says the president spoke to the press yesterday. The president spoke to the press yesterday, and the word in capital letter is spoke. Spoke is a verb. Take note of that. Is a verb, and it is the past tense or the past form. The past form of the word or verb called speak. Now, option A says, did the minister speak to the press yesterday? No, we are not talking of the minister. Option B, did the president speak to the lecturers yesterday? No, we are not talking of lecturers. Option C, did the president wave to the press yesterday? Option D, did the president speak to the press today? We are not talking of today, we are talking of yesterday. So option C says that did the president wave to the press yesterday? So the word wave is an action word, and because of it is an action word, it is a verb. Therefore, it belongs to the verb class, and therefore wave is in construct to the word in capital letter. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly ensure for subscribe for more of our videos.